Whether it's rain or shine, I'll be out riding in any conditions. All that matters is I get to ride. Sometimes the best sessions are in the wet and the mud. The bike wouldn't last long if I left it covered in mud after every session. The Kärcher OC3 makes it easy to get the dirt off before it dries. It runs with enough pressure to remove the dirt with ease, yet not enough to damage the seals or bearings. The additional bike cleaning kit makes the job quick and easy. The hose and nozzle pat down inside, making it small enough to leave in the boot of my car until the next session.